What's up guys, welcome to our channel eTechniz. In this video we will talk about how to make your laptop's Wi-Fi signal faster on Windows 11. We will show you the method and the step you have to follow, so stay tuned and watch the complete video. Method 1. Advanced option. You have to do a right click on Windows icon and click on Device Manager. Here you have to search for network adapter. Do a double click or either click on this arrow. As I have an Intel Pro 1000 MT desktop adapter, I'm gonna select it. You might have different adapter like Realtek or Nvidia network driver. So do a right click, click on Properties, click on Power Management tab and uncheck this option and click OK. Afterwards, click on Advanced option. In Advanced option, you have to find two things. Search for roaming aggressiveness. You have to set the value to 2 medium low. Afterward, you have to search for fat channel intolerance, and once you'll find it, you have to disable that option. Afterward, click on OK and restart your PC, and you'll see the changes on your Wi-Fi speed. Step 2. Public DNS server. In this step, you have to set up a public DNS on your computer as you want to increase the Wi-Fi speed. Do a right click on any browser you have like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge or Firefox. Click on Open. Type in here public DNS server. Select public DNS server list. You'll see something like this. Here you can see Google 888 and 8844. That's a Google public DNS. If you'll click on it, you'll find it, and that's a DNS which you have to use. Once you'll have the public DNS, just simply close the browser. Click on Windows icon, type run in here, click on open. You have to type this command ncpa.cpl. After typing the command, click on OK. You'll see a screen like this. Do a right click on Ethernet. Select Properties. Click on Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IPv4. Afterwards, select Properties. Once you'll have that, you have to check this box. You have to select it. Use the following DNS server address, and in the preferred DNS server you have to set up 8888. To set up this DNS, you have to use up and down, left and right arrow key. Left and right arrow key are the keys which you have to use. After typing 8, use the right arrow key and then type the 888. And in alternative DNS server, you have to type 8844. Afterward, click OK, close, and simply close all of the window and use your internet, and you'll see difference while using your internet. So that's all for today. That's how you can make your laptop Wi-Fi signal faster on Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Meet in the next video.